So it's taking me a while to get up this morning, and that's a beautiful thing. And I guess that's what I was trying to communicate with this video was well, something that's just you'd get lost if it got put into words, and that's why I didn't say much. Not gonna ramble on this video, I promise myself. So, but I don't know how much comes out in these videos. I mean, like, the branching, do you see how, like, sculptural, like, veins this tree is? And I'm sure you can't see on this video, but hey, you can hear the golf course stuff. If you could hear the birds, this tree is covered in birds. All right, my battery is low at 15% remaining. Battery saver, okay. So it's they're hummingbirds, and so hummingbirds have been hovering all morning. The sun is out. You catch a lot of the awesome color. It's not raining today. It's been raining for a couple of days. Oh, this dead branch that's rotting here on this tree is gorgeous. Tarp, my hat that I found in Monterey, California, sitting on a garbage can, and I thought it was obnoxious as hell, and I'm all anti-American and shit, and so I've been wearing it, and I've gotten more compliments on this hat. It's ridiculous. Here's my shoes that I got for $2 at they're kind of falling apart already, but they're leather. They look like bowling shoes or clown shoes or something. Oh my god, my life is so fucking ridiculous, and it's all because of Dr. Evil. Miss Evil, PhD to you. That's a project I'm working on. I got a couple other projects. What do I got? Okay, so you know about my Romeo and Juliet project. I want to do new covers of the songs from the Laz Barman version of Romeo and Juliet, starring Leonardo DiCaprio and that chick who I can't, Claire Danes. Hey, I remembered it this time. I love all the soundtrack that's on that whatever year version of that movie. And I want to do new covers, and then I want to do Fight Club, and with both of them, show the movie with no sound. Those are my music. So I got the Club Fight project, the Juliet and Romeo project. I decided to reverse the words around because that's what we're doing. It's like a mix-up, mashup. Kind of singing. Went to church last night. I'm meeting with the pastor for coffee in a little while here. You don't know. You don't know. You don't know. Alright, this is getting too long already. I did it. I gotta get up and get out of here, guys. I gotta go to the library and research some stuff. So, we're gonna end this here. Take 2.